Welcome to Ardent Tutorials. I hope all my YouTube family is in good health. Dear students, today we will study an autobiography of a school bag. So let's start. I am a multi-colored attractive school bag. 2 years ago I presented to you on your birthday. You looked at my bright red and blue color and exclaimed with delight, "It's a wonderful bag." Since then have been your constant companion to school except on examination days, of course. Then you take only a writing pad and a pencil box. I am made of good quality canvas. I still look as attractive as ever. The buckles on my side are still shiny. I know for sure that you take good care of me. You have never allowed me to get wet in the rain or get dirty during holidays. You keep me carefully in your cupboard. I feel lonely on holidays, but I take it as a time to rest. I then look forward to the day when the school reopens. Each evening, hanging from a nail on the wall, I look at you while you are doing your homework. I fondly smile at you and think, what a good master I have. Hope you like our video. Do subscribe our channel, like and share our videos. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our new and upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.